This is my newest listing, a medical office, waiting room, receptionist desk area, and there are 3 operating rooms. This is room 1, this is room 2, and this is room 3. There are 2 bathrooms. This is a working area with your machines, faxing, email, copy machine. Your own separate thermostat. And there are 2 offices. This is office 1. This is office 2. And this is one of the bathrooms. Beautiful bathroom. And this is the kitchenette area. Just waiting for the right medical professional who wants a brand new space. And this is the second bathroom, what you might call the first bathroom. Pretty similar to the other one. And that's it. We're going to be doing an open house on Saturday and Sunday from 12 to 1:30, and that would be the 18th and the 19th of July. So if you're a medical professional and you're looking for just diamond, pristine condition offices that were just built, come over to Great Neck, where most of the doctors are located, and you're not too far from Northwell Health. Transportation, food, even parks are not too far away. Okay, so that's about it. Enjoy and have a lucrative day.